Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to roll up taquitos. We start with your favorite type of corn tortilla. Remember, it has to be corn, not flour. You take your tortillas, I usually do 4 at a time. You put your griddle pan on the stove and place your 4 tortillas. I usually put it in a low-medium heat because we are just warming the tortillas. If you don't warm up the tortillas, what will happen is that they will break as you roll them. We want to be able to roll them without breaking them. At this point, you probably have your shredded chicken. In my case, I used the leftover chicken breast from the rotisserie chicken I bought the day before for dinner. You can also use any dark meat. You take a few pieces of shredded chicken and place them at the edge of the tortilla. Don't put them in the middle. You start rolling your taquitos with the chicken as tightly as you can. Once you roll the taquitos, place them with the edge down so they don't unfold. You can also use a toothpick if they start to unfold. Once you fold all the taquitos, I like to place them on a plate so I can put them in the freezer. After they freeze, I put them in a bag. The taquitos can be in the freezer for up to 3 months without any problems. As you can see, I only have 2 left because I can assure you they won't last. Well, that is all for this video. Take care now.